Good morning, children. Today we are going to start session 5, creating and publishing web pages, that is blogging. Okay, so what is a blog? Have you ever seen a blog of some other persons? So many people are blogging on any topic, any current issues or any current incidents, and they can express their own views on that particular incident. Okay, that is actually what called blogging. Okay, so even you can create a blog of your family, your hobbies, yourself, etc., etc. also. So what is that? A blog is a discussion style site used by non-technical users for creating personal web pages. Okay, so this is what is a blog. So it's just a page for displaying to watch by other people. So blogs are similar to an online personal diary and simple to use. Okay, you can use a blog to convey, what are the uses of blog? To convey messages about events, announcements, news, reviews, etc. Blogs are usually managed using a web browser, and this requires an active internet connection also. So you can just you have to be online to deal with the blogging purpose. So you can also use offline blog software to create content first and then later publish the content when an active internet connection is available. Even there is no internet connection, if you have an offline editor, you can do the blog. Okay, and whenever the net is available, you can post it. So there are so many websites that offer blog service for free. So some of the popular blog services are offered by www.wordpress.com, blogger.com, blog.com, weebly.com, blogsome.com, etc., etc. So now we are going to see how can we create a blog, okay, using any one of the sites. So in this session you will learn how to create a blog account in blogger.com. That is very simple and even free. Okay, some blog accounts are for you have to pay money for doing blog in that. Okay, so here we are going to see how can you do a blog in a blogger.com website. So for that you have to open a website, browser, and what you have to do there, you have to give that blogger.com. okay, www.blogger.com. okay, so you just type the site address, and when you press enter you will get the home page of the blogger.com. so now what we have to do, so you have to create a new blog site. So for that I already logged in, I have to log out, sign out. Okay, so they will be asking for creating your blog. Okay, so if you are already logged in, no problem, I already created once, that's why it came like that. So if you want to create a blog, you have to blogger.com, and here one button is there, you have to press create your blog. If you already created blog, you just need to sign in. So here I'm just going to press create your blog button. Now you will get, you have to insert your email id. So you have to insert, you already have an email id, and you can just click on that email id and just give the password. Okay, okay, so now just log into that address, email address. You will get a page where you can create all these things. Okay, so I already created one, so I my information already will be displayed here. That's why it came like that. So I already deleted my blog permanently. Now I will get like this. Okay, so first, new post. Okay, so when you have to click on create a blog button. So here when you create a blog button is here. Okay, so there what you are supposed to do, you have to create a new blog title. Title means it will be remain the title of your blog. Okay, the first blog. So I'm just giving here family. Okay, so then you click on next. You can able to give it whenever the informations are asked. Okay, so you just log into the blogger.com website and then create a new blog, then just give the answers what you want. So you have to give, this is the most important thing, this is what you are giving to other persons to watch your blog. So here you have to give an address for the blog. So here I'm just giving my name, whatever it is. Mm, okay, so here I gave this is also not available 6. Okay, this blog address is available, so I just give JUL 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 up to 7. So this will remind your address, your website, your blog address, okay, web page address. So here you have to save it. Okay, so you must remember your web page address, blog address, that should be given to others. Now I created already a web page. Now I am going to create a new post. Okay, here you want to create a new post. This is similar to your email compose box, and here you are supposed to type something, and even you can just edit your document. So by giving a bold, any kind of major heading, okay, and italics if you want, underline if so color, if you want to give a color you can give it, and text background color, if you want any background color you already given a color, and font size also you can just change large size, largest. Okay, now that will be your heading, and the different more options are available here. If you want to bring it to the center, okay, you can bring it to the center. Okay, then if you want to insert an image, okay, if you can go browse your photos or by URL from wherever. This is upload from your computer or from your photos in your Google Drive, whatever it is. Okay, so you can just insert photos also. Whatever you want to post, you can post in your uh, this blog. So after this you just have a button to press to publish it. So if you want to publish it, you confirm means you can publish it. Okay, so that will be published in the blog. Now what you're supposed to do, if you want to view it by others, what you're supposed to do, you have to give your address to others. So what is my address? Do you remember that? JUL 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 dot blogspot.com. Okay, you have to remember the extension also. So blogspot.com, spot.com. Okay, this is what I want to give to others. So when you give this, so this site will be displayed. So this is what I typed here. Okay, nothing else. So you can just give, or you can post any comment or any reaction to any incident, whatever you want you can just post into this. This is what a blog is. Okay, this is actually what is viewed by other people, not by us. So if you want to just change your things, you can give comments. Okay, if you want to give any comments, you can post something, no new comments. Okay, if you want to see your comments by other people, you can just see that. And what you're supposed to do, if you want to do any comment, post a comment, you can do, not you, others can post a comment on your blog. So whatever they want to type, they can do it. And again, notify me, sign out, okay, publish. Okay, so they will be publishing that. And what you are supposed to do, so you have to go to your this thing, and you can just watch the comment by other people's. Okay, post. Okay, if you want to see the post, you can just watch it. So you can just click on that. So many options are there, you can use it, you can familiarize with the environment, and you can make use of the things. Okay, so many options. Then earnings, what you can make earnings by posting the blogs. Okay, so that you must have some followers, you must have some means people to be followed. So then if there are a number of people, you will be getting money, like blogging, etc, etc. Okay, so themes, you can change your theme, you can just customize your theme. Okay, post any photos for your background, okay, etc, etc. So family, I have given a post like this. Okay, so when the other people watch it, the background will be there, see, you can see that. So this is what a background or this thing. Okay, then back, so many options, we can just watch, make use of this is what a blogging. Okay, if we want to really do a blog, okay, you can just go for it and you just means familiarize with all these things. Okay, that's all. Okay, we will go back to our rest of the topics. So this is what explained in this. Okay, so there here they are explaining on WordPress blogging. So there will be slight difference between all these different types of blog sites. So you just need to go to any one of them and you can make use of that you are very much if you are very much interested, you can create it and operate it. So you must have a mail id. That's the only important thing you need to have. Okay, then rest of the things you have to give whenever they ask for information. Mail address is very important. Now after that, the next topic is there. You can just post pictures. That's what we do now. Then leave a replay. Okay, for the comments you can leave a replay, and in the enter your comments here, text box, type your comments about the post. In the email field, type your email address, etc, etc, so that all are related to the reply to a comment. Okay, that you can see when you other people commented on your post. Now offline blog editors. So now we did about we did the blogging online. Okay, that means when the internet connection is there. Even though there is no net connection, you can create a offline blog. Okay, so for that, if you what is offline blog? If you do not have an active internet connection, you can create blogs using blog application and publish blog wherever internet connectivity, whenever internet connectivity is available. So that is what offline blogging. So this is what you want to learn. So there are several free offline blog editors available that can be downloaded and installed on your device, like you are installing any other software. Okay, now in this exercise you are learning how to do an offline blog editor. Okay, so here you can use any one of these Windows Live Writer. You can just try that. This Kumana is not working. I think I didn't get that. Okay, or Blog Desk also you can even try. Okay, or you can just search for the search bar for any other offline blog editor software. You can search for that, and which is the best one for you. You can just install in your system, in your device, and just go for that if you really want to do blogging. Okay, that's all. Then here we are just learning the theory part of all this. Okay, in future if you want to do, you just remember how to do all this. That's all. So how to launch, how to install this one, and all these are given here. So we are just skipping that topic and go to the next one, which is very important. That is session 7, online transactions. So you already know what is an online transaction, isn't it? What is online transaction? So the transactions. So online, what is that? Online shopping is a form of electronic commerce where customers can buy or sell goods over the internet. So which is very much famous now, isn't very means so we all are doing online shopping nowadays. It is the safest way of shopping nowadays. So that is what actually online transactions. When you buy goods online, you have to just pay money online also. Okay, many of us are doing so. So customers need to have an active internet connection for viewing goods or services offered by a seller. Okay, customers can pay online using a credit card or debit card, or even cash on delivery also. Some websites are providing cash on delivery service also. Okay, so when you are doing online transactions using your credit or debit card, you should be very careful. So online shopping could be useful situations when, what are the uses of online shopping? The answer is here. A customer does not have sufficient time to visit stores. Okay, in that case they can use online shopping. Then visiting a store is more expensive than purchasing a product online. Okay, isn't it? If you want to travel a long distance and go to the shop, instead of that you can purchase the item by sitting at home. That saves money. Okay, traveling cost. Now, a product or service that is not available in the local market is available online. That is the most important thing. If that product is not available in your locality, you can go for online shopping, isn't it? We all are doing that nowadays because of another reason, isn't it? So this current situation, it is the safest way of shopping. Some of the popular online transaction websites are, you already know many of them, which is the most famous one, Amazon, isn't it? Amazon.com, Amazon India, or Flipkart, isn't it? So many are there, Alibaba, then AliExpress, all these are the online shopping sites. Then IRCTC. What is IRCTC? Indian Railway Catering and Traveling Service. Sorry, means corporation. Okay, so that is an online portal for booking flight and train tickets by Indian Railway. Okay, so. So here another one is Flipkart, which is almost familiar, an online shopping portal for buying consumer products. eBay, an online portal for buying and selling goods. So if you get a question like what is an online portal for buying and selling goods, you can write eBay. Okay, then Redbus, it is an online portal for booking bus tickets. Okay, so many test sites are there. You can give any example. So to perform online transaction, all you need is a web browser and an active internet connection. So this will be an important question. What you need for doing an online transaction, you need is a web browser and an active internet connection, isn't it? That all we have in our devices. So in some cases where purchasing is involved, you will need a valid credit card, debit card, or online banking support, referred to as net banking subscriptions. Some websites even allow COD, cash on delivery, where the users can pay once they receive the product or service. Online transaction using Flipkart. So how can you do that? Many of your parents are using this thing, isn't it? So you can just also ask them if you don't know that. So how to do an online transaction? If you have a credit card, debit card, not now, don't do it now. Okay, so when you are ready for that, you can do that. In this section, you will learn to perform an online transaction using Flipkart. So Flipkart is an online store where you can just, I'm not going to show you the example how I do that. So you can just do it when you want it. When you buy an item, you can just sit with your parents and you can just do it together. That's the best way. Purchase a variety of electronic goods, books, accessories, anything you can purchase online. Flipkart offers multiple payment methods like credit card, debit card, and net banking, e-gift voucher, and even cash on delivery also. So to work with Flipkart, you need to use a web browser and an active internet connection. Open any browser such as Firefox, Chrome, or Internet Explorer. Type www.flipkart.com in the address bar. You will get this. But the most important thing is, if you want to register on the Flipkart, you need an email address. Now already all of you have an email address. You can register in Flipkart, whatever online shopping site. So a web page similar to this will appear, and to perform transactions using Flipkart, you need to sign up for a Flipkart account. Okay, now click on sign up link. So there you have to give your email address. Okay, so email address, you must provide your email address. Email address is also used for sending offer mails, then promotional mails to you. The email address will use to log in your name for your Flipkart account. That is necessary. Next, password. Okay, so you must have an email address and a password if you want to sign in your Flipkart account. So you must secure your Flipkart account by giving a strong password. You need to enter the password twice. Okay, so click sign up now. Now you can enter by giving this email address and the password into the site. Now you are ready to purchase any item from the Flipkart. It has a variety of products organized as categories, and you can either look for respective products in appropriate category. That already know, they categorize the items, men, women, and kids, etc., etc., and whatever it is. So many types of items are categories are there. For example, if you would like to buy a digital camera, you can type digital camera in the search box and choose a model from the search results window. And price for a digital camera you can find out easily, which is up to one for you. You can select a model of your choice by clicking on the product image. You can browse the catalog of products available in Flipkart. Once you have decided to purchase a product, you can use purchase a product, etc. So many things are given here, so you can just do the details are given here also. So Flipkart allows a variety of methods for online payment. Okay, so we already know what are they: credit card, debit card, net banking, cash on delivery, or a gift voucher. Vouchers are also available like live shop. To complete the payment, you need to enter appropriate details as required in the mentioned fields and click pay to the initiate payment. Okay, depending on the method, select additional window may be displayed and you have to give the detailed information. That's all to complete the information. Some websites also offer payments to be made in installments, thus making it a convenient option for the customers. Refer to the website payment terms for information on payment procedures and practices. So online transaction for booking rail tickets, that's what I told you, IRCTC. What is IRCTC? Indian Railway Catering and Tourism Corporation. That is a full form of IRCTC. It's a famous site. Is an online portal that can be used for booking travel tickets. So you need to use a web browser. So you just need to sign into www.irctc.com.co.in in the address bar and press enter. So you will get a site. This is the home page of the site. To perform transactions using IRCTC, you need to sign up for an IRCTC account. As we learned, you have to sign up for that. You must have an valid email account. Okay, so locate and click sign up link at the top of the web page. A window similar to one below will be displayed. Okay, so here you have to give a username, password, etc, etc. So follow the on-screen procedure, filling up the details to be complete registration. Or if you are not registered, you can again sign in procedure you can do. Okay, sign up is there, login is there. So sign up is for the new user and login is for the old user, like that. Once you log on to IRCTC, you can use the website for booking tickets. By now you are quite familiar to what each field represents. Go ahead and fill in the details. The ones marked with an asterisk, that is a star, are mandatory fields. That already you know, isn't it? So now today's session is over, so you just go through this text and answer the questions sent to your Olash. Okay, bye.